A gracious hello to everyone. Myself Arnab Chatterjee, second year undergraduate at IIIT Kota, and today I am going to present before you the analysis of 3 marker questions from IOQM, that is Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. This was held on 3rd of September 2023, Sunday, and today I will be posting the analysis video of the IOQM. Although I had started preparing the analysis and solutions on 3rd of September itself, but got late in posting the videos. So in the solutions you will be hearing the reference today because they were being shot on 3rd of September itself. I started with 3 marker questions first, okay, because I found them relatively easier than 2 marker and 5 markers. So first let's talk a brief of the overall paper. So I felt it was more or less like the 2018 pre-RMO paper, where the 2 markers were on the tougher side, 3 markers were on the easier side, a bit easier. I'm not saying they were very easy, but if we compare them to 2 markers, then they were easier, and 5 marker was again tough. And similar pattern was visible this year, that the 3 markers were easier compared to 2 and 5 marker questions. In 2018, there were some easy 5 marker questions, but this year that part was missing. I felt that all 5 markers are tough, and obviously, I would be not able to post the solution to each and every problem because I don't have a team right now. I am alone. So obviously, there are not 5 to 6 maths teachers with me, so it will be only of some questions. If you have doubt in any particular question, you can always comment and I will make a solution video on this. Plus, we will be launching an RMO workshop, okay, on YouTube only. The videos related to which will start coming. The solutions will keep getting posted subsequent to them. Okay. Let's start with the analysis of 3 markers now. So here is a simple breakup of the 10 questions. From which topic how many questions came. Let's look at that. So there were 3 problems from number theory, 3 problems from algebra, 2 problems from geometry, 2 problems from P&C, 1 problem from coordinate geometry, and 1 problem from SOT. Now there was even 1 problem from binomial theorem, but it was actually a mixture of P&C and binomial. Let me write that here. So there was 1 problem from binomial also. Okay. Now, if I see it from the perspective of a student who is in 9th or 10th, then I would say there were only 2 or 3 easy problems in the 3 marker section. Okay. If I see from the perspective of a class 9-10 student, like 1 problem of number theory was, the 2 problems from number theory were really very easy. One mixed with PNC, that set problem, maths A, maths B, that one was very easy. And one was a standard Diophantine equation, everyone now knows how to solve. One question of polynomial was not really very difficult, and I believe that 9-10 students can solve that or could have solved that if they had a good preparation on the or good preparation of concepts and study. Geometry, there were 2 questions. Now, for me, geometry is the toughest, and I don't even try the questions from geometry. PNC, 1 question was a general J advanced problem based on the geometric applications, number of triangles, and obviously it is tough for a class 9-10 student. But again, there was one coordinate geometry question, and this was particularly from class 10th concept, section formula. The whole question was based on the concept of section formula and the coordinate of the centroid of triangle. Now, if you knew those formulas, then that would be very easy for you. But I believe that formula of coordinate of centroid is not there in class 10 syllabus, as far as I remember. Or is it there? I don't know. But if you knew that, then this coordinate question was a cakewalk, a simple cakewalk for you. Now the problem that happened is that the 3 marker questions were actually very much easy for class 11 students. Why? Because all the questions were just the most practiced illustrations for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Whether it was the question from SOT, X red I mean the roots of a qubit, that is a very famous question in JEE DPPs. Many DPPs use that problem. The problem from coordinate geometry is really easy for class 11 students. They know that exact question is being done in the coaching classes. The PNC problem, even if I leave that triangle wala problem, the obviously that set theory based problem was very easy for them. The 3 problems from algebra, they are actually covered in class 11th and class 12th. So IOQM, what they did was, and this binomial problem, although it was tough, but if you are a student of class 11th, you know that formula, what the series that was summing. If you remember the formula we had to use was sigma r NCR. And as soon as you will use the formula, you will get the summation very easily. Now all these problems were actually easy for a class 11 student and very much struggleful for a student who is in ninth and 10th. Okay. But still I would believe that 3 marker had many such questions that would be storable for a student in ninth and 10th, and that's why I'm saying that 3 markers were actually easier than 2 markers. Don't forget that there are some easier questions in 2 markers also. So there was enough ground for class 9th and 10th students, and the ground was too big for class 11 students to play on it. Leave class 12 students, their cutoff is different. But for ninth, since the competition is same for ninth to 11th, the competition is same for 9 to 11. I think they neutralized the things a bit. Could have been a more neutralized by not giving questions from coordinate, SOT, or binomial theorem, because these are somewhat like JEE topics not suitable for a 9-10 student. But this was the overall analysis of IOQM 3 markers, and now I will start posting the solutions. Thank you for your precious time.